Hey, how you doing? It's Bill O'Toole here. I'll be doing a workshop prior to the conference. It's a very exciting thing that's happening here. You know, the launch of the Asia Pacific Centre for Events Management is tremendously important. The profession has reached a standard now where we need research. We need the universities to help push this profession forward. It's an international profession with an international standard. Perhaps you don't know about that. Well, now's the time to come along and find out. And certainly that's what I'll be teaching. I'll be teaching from the International Competency Standard in Event Management. It was originally it was the MBOK, the Event Management Body of Knowledge. So come along to the workshop. You can compare how you put on events, you can compare how you teach events or how you want to research in events to the standards in project management and risk management as applied to events. They can be festivals or conferences, business events, they can be community events, they can be sports events. We will be applying the theory, we'll be talking about your experience, we'll be helping you. It's vital, these workshops. It's professional development. And in any other profession, that's what you'd be doing. So come along to the workshop. Bill O'Toole, you can look me up on the web and I'll see you there.